All right, so this is going to be a very quick video on sending an email using Google Mail or Gmail. I already have my email up, but in case you don't know how to get to it, if you click the Apps button from your Google Classroom, there's your Gmail right there. Here's my email, and I have it open on the Promotions tab so that you don't see a whole bunch of emails and get distracted that way. But when you're navigating your email, there's a compose button over here. There's also your inbox. You can star messages that are important. You can snooze certain people, would not recommend that. You can view your sent emails. You can view a draft. So if you start an email and you don't quite finish it, this is where you will find it. And then I use something called Boomerang to schedule my email, so I have that there as well. And then I also have some categories for email. So I have email practice assignment, new teacher class, I have notes, and I have a few more categories. If you want to create categories in your email, feel free to do that. You do that under the settings. Underneath all of those tabs, you have a tab for Google Meet. So you have the option to start a meeting or join a meeting. If you recall from my video about how to join your teacher's office hours, you would click join a meeting to go into their office hours. If you don't remember how to do that, I'll put a card up to that video. Below that, you have Hangouts, which is essentially like an instant messaging type service within Gmail. So if you wanted to start a hangout with somebody, you could do that. Zooming out a little bit, we are going to compose an email. So we're going to click the compose button and it opens up a new message. So when you open up a new message, your first thing you're going to see is who you're sending it to. So I am going to send an email just to myself. Then you are going to type in what your email is about. Wow, that shouldn't have been a tongue twister, but it was. So my email is just testing Gmail. Here you will type the content of your email. I have a whole video about email etiquette coming out on Thursday. I will link that video below as well as try to put a card up at the top of this one if I remember. Once you have your content, you can get ready to send. If you have anything you need to add to your email, all of those options are down here. I have my Bitmoji connected to my email, so I could add that if I wanted to. I could format the email differently. I could attach a file, so this would be like a file from your computer. I could insert a link, so a web link or something I want to share with whoever I'm sending the email to. I could insert an emoji, or I could insert a Drive file, which is what you would be most likely to use. And then finally, I could insert a photo. Those are good things to know that you're there. Make sure whenever you're sending attachments, whether it be to a teacher or a peer, you're including a title for those attachments, so it makes it easy for them to organize them. When you're all done writing and preparing and attaching things to your email, you're going to go ahead and click send. Now that email will show up in my sent mail. There it is, testing Gmail. That's a really quick, short tutorial on how to use Gmail. Make sure you're checking your Gmail for announcements from the school and just to keep track on information from your teachers. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out. Have a great day.